guarantee.
Mudit, the specific question that I'm asking you, is there space for nepotism? Is there space for falane ne falane ko phone kiya, please dekh lena? Does that happen in mains and interviews? Yes or no?
If that happens, I don't know, but scope, 100% yes.
Scope, 100% yes. And Brij Mohan Srivastava, we're talking about the top-notch exams in this country. You've seen children who spend lakhs and lakhs in coaching, but somebody else will fake a certificate, somebody will get in. Pooja Khedkar, are we sure she's the only case in the overall All India exams? Because there are 17 other cases that have cropped up in Chhattisgarh and have been handed over to the CBI now. Everybody is some family. My son, my daughter-in-law, my son-in-law, my niece, everybody can come. We can all have lunch together and, celebrate how we made a fool of the system. That's exactly what this example shows to the people of India.
नाविका जी, इस बात पे तो सारी बात हो गई। मैं थोड़ा इससे अलग हटके एक बात कहना चाहता हूं। ये हो क्यों रहा है? इसके पीछे खास कारण ये कि जो हमारा पॉलिटिकल सेटअप है, उसने अपने आप को ब्यूरोक्रेसी के सामने सरेंडर कर दिया है। इसलिए जो ब्यूरोक्रेसी है, उसने एक अपना पूरा नेक्सस बना लिया है पूरे सिस्टम में। आप देखिए, आज से 5 या 6 साल पहले लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ देहरादून में एक आदमी पूरी ट्रेनिंग लेता है, वो कहीं सिलेक्ट ही नहीं हुआ था। तो इससे ये पता लगता है वहां पे कोई पार्टी का लोग नहीं है। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री इंस्टीट्यूट पे कोई पार्टी का लोग नहीं है। इसके अलावा कहीं और यूपीएससी में कोई पार्टी का लोग नहीं है। वहां पे जो सिलेक्शन बोर्ड है, ये माना जाता है कि वो बेहतर लोगों का है। तो फिर क्या कारण है कि ऐसा हो रहा है? ये सबसे गंभीर मुद्दा है और इसके लिए मैं पूरी तौर से
politicians have washed their hands off. The news is around only the bureaucrats next. Abha Singh, politicians की कोई गलती नहीं है, bureaucrats are the problem.
नाविका जी, एक चीज और, नाविका जी प्लीज मेरी।
ओके,
नाविका जी, एक छोटी सी बात और कहना चाहता हूं। उसके पीछे खास कारण यह है कि एक आदमी जब ब्यूरोक्रेट बनता है, उसके पास 40 साल होते हैं और एक जो इलेक्टेड आदमी है, उसके पीछे 5 साल होते हैं। तो 5 साल के वाले आदमी 40 साल
छोड़ दीजिए 5 साल की नौकरी, छोड़ दीजिए 5 साल की नौकरी, बन जाइए 40 साल के ब्यूरोक्रेट से एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दे दीजिए। सिंपल। हमने तो ना 5 साल वाली करी ना 40 साल वाली। सर, मेहनत करके काम कर रहे हैं।
मैं आपसे सहमत हूं। मैं आपसे कह रहा हूं सिस्टम कोलैप्स क्यों हो रहा है?
Okay, the system is only collapsing because of bureaucrats, not because of politicians, Abha Singh.
They are.
No, can I get a word here, please?
In fact, Navika, the chairman Public Service Commission, the chairman State Public Service Commission are appointed by the politicians. What is shocking that these are all political appointees. So that is why politicians have caught the rut. But the bigger issue is when you talk of an OBC certificate, who is making it? The doctors. Who is giving the caste certificate? It is the tehsildar. So that corruption is there. And who's protecting them? It is the system which is protecting them. And when you say OBC creamy layer, non-creamy layer, then what accountability is there? In Pooja Khedkar, will you terminate her? Only one yesterday on Times Now, I said that it is the Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy director who is supposed to remove her. Today they call her back. On your channel we discussed this yesterday. So let me tell you, it is corruption, extreme power. People are joining IAS, IPS only for the power and position. We make heroes out of these heroes. That is the big issue. And bigger issue, if we are discussing Chhattisgarh, let me tell you, I am sure the written papers would have been changed or false marks would have been given on the copy. Otherwise, 5 people from one family cannot get through. So that is a big scam. Coming to Pooja Khedkar, she is getting fake medical certificates from where? In 2016, I had done an RTI with UPSC that I want a list of all list of the disabled candidates who had cleared the UPSC. The UPSC wrote to me saying that once the exam is declared, we send everything to DOPT. So ये UPSC और DOPT का nexus है, which does not give out the names of the candidates who have cleared on disability quotas.
Nexus, everywhere there is a nexus.